Hey everybody, welcome back to JessicaLynnOriginal Studios. I'm Jessica, and today I'm going to take you on a full walk around Cars Land at Disney California Adventure. If you're planning a family trip or just maybe visiting with your spouse, I'm going to walk around and show you how to plan the perfect Cars Land day. I'm going to give you some Lightning Lane pass tips, Radiator Springs racer tips, and Luigi's Rockin' Coaster. We're going to ride some of those today, and take a walk through Cars Land. Now, I'm going to tell you, the minute that you get into this area, it feels like you've been transported right into the movie Cars. Every building, every sign, every sound feels like it literally rolled off of Pixar's storyboard. Families love starting here in the morning because there's so much to take in. I would highly encourage you to do that, especially because of how long the Radiator Springs Racers gets. But I will tell you, if you're kind of in that waiting moment, definitely go and take a lot of pictures with your family. We have some really fun and goofy pictures from our last adventure, and it was fun to find all these little hidden gems all over town. Now, I first just want to share a little bit about Lightning Lane Multipass. It really is your key to getting the most out of your day. Basically, you walk into the park, you pick your first attraction, get your arrival window. Once you've used that, or if 2 hours have passed, you can grab another one. The pass covers most eligible attractions in Disneyland California Adventure, so it's really flexible if you're park hopping. Now, I will tell you, for Lightning, we had to do a Lightning Lane single pass because there are rides that have extra in demand. So like Radiator Springs or Star Wars Rise of the Resistance, both of those are the extra in demand rides. So if you want to get on racers fast, trust me, this one fills up way too fast. The single pass is 100% worth it, especially if you can only afford to be able to buy one extra perk per day. This one's a great one. Although I will tell you, if you watch the line, there are times when the line comes way down and we were able to, get right on the ride. Now, Radiator Springs, let me tell you a little about it. It is one of the best rides in Disney California Adventures. This attraction is truly stunning. It has this beautiful desert landscapes with tons of animatronics, and you get to race through Ornament Valley, get to meet all your favorite characters, and then the grand finale, you get to race each other at the end of the ride. It's my favorite. I will tell you, kids love it, parents love it, and the theming makes you feel like you're truly part of the movie. Now, if you have little ones, note that there is a 40-inch height requirement, and the very first time the 2 cars race each other, it can surprise first-timers. But I'll tell you, it's a really smooth ride, and it is so much fun. Now, I will also tell you, as a small tip, ride this during the day if you can, and then go back and ride it again at night. All right, let's go ahead and ride Radiator Springs Racers.
So missions first, is that what you're telling us? Yes. Thank you.
Mommy, this is go and it's stop.
Alright, baby, you drive.
Mommy, so this is go and it's stop.
Alright.
We're probably going to be racing with the yellow one.
Uniformerade, uniformischer. Try to get ready and quadro to go!
Mommy, you didn't win.
You were amazing! You made the point! I wasn't racing. Well, you can't win if you don't ride. Right, Peter. And you sure was fast. Yeah, great racing. Racing? I'm talking about practice.
I was like this one.
My kids laugh so hard every single time, and they were so bummed because we didn't win. But it's okay. I always tell them it's all right. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but you know what? We enjoy the adventure, and that's really what mattered. In this area, other things to think about are food and snacks, right? So there is Flo's V8 Cafe, which is classic dinner meals with a view of Radiator Springs Racers. They have fried chicken and milkshakes. Very limited indoor seating. As we were leaving, look, we saw a hummingbird. It was so cool. It was just kind of hanging out there, and I have never seen one out there when we were there before, so I just had to share that too. You can also get some food at the Cozy Cone Motel. Each cone has its own specialty, from chili to popcorn, soft serve, and then there also is some shopping in this area as well. So as we're leaving the ride, I thought it'd be really fun. Oh, here's some cars coming. I hear them coming. Let's let those cars cruise by. It's funny because when you see it, it looks like they're going so slow. But then when you're riding the ride, it feels like you're just, cripping along there real fast and moving. But it's just funny because it looks so slow. Like when you kind of just watch it from this angle. Although this is a wonderful place if you are going to take pictures, if you're not going to go on the ride. This is a great place. This is the exit where you can capture a really fun picture of your family on the ride. Now, next ride we're going to go on is going to be Luigi's. This is Luigi's Rollicking Roadsters. This ride is a gem. Now, if you don't feel good if you go on spinny rides, this might not be the ride for you, but it's a fun time. The kids love it. Every single car has its own personality, and they dance in perfect choreography to Italian tunes. So my kids laugh, and it's fun to watch the families on this ride, because the parents always kind of had that like, oh my goodness, are we really doing this? But then they get on the ride, and the cars are singing, and they do these dances, and at the end you do a big spin. And what I love about it truly is that it's one of those rides where it's just fun, right? It's just fun. There's no stress, no drops, no worries about, going on a roller coaster, no worries about anything. It's just literally family fun. And while we're queuing up for the ride, I'll just let you know a couple other things that's fun. So Cars Land also has one of the best photo ops in the park. You can meet Lightning McQueen, Mater, or there's a red fire truck sometimes throughout the day. So if you have little ones, keep an eye out for the nighttime neon lighting moment. It's when the sun sets and the street lights up, just like in the movie. It's really magical. It's really beautiful. We were actually on another ride when it happened this night, but you can see beautiful sunsets as well. All right, looks like it's our turn. Here we go. Well, I hope that you enjoyed our walkthrough of Cars Land, from some Lightning Lane tips to some of the best rides and hidden gems along Route 66. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any future adventures, whether we are traveling to Disney parks or Wisconsin travel or beyond. We've got some really fun ideas for the end of 25 and we started 26. Tell me in the comments, what is your favorite Cars Land ride? Racers or Luigi? Thanks again for cruising with me today, and I'll see you again next time on Jessica Lynn Original Studios. Take care, everybody.